Now I'll show you how to make a plastic sling out of the plastic bag. So what you basically do is just like when you cut the rope, you cut down as far as you can. My sling ain't going to be very long. My arms ain't that very long, so you can cut it to the length you want. But I will keep this length. What you do is twist. Oh wait. First you do an ordinary overhand knot. Hit. So like that. So this will be your pooch or pouch. This will be your handles. And you just measure out how big pouch you want, and make overhand knots in the sides of it so that this part won't twist. And then you just start twisting until you've got the right formula of it. Then you make another overhand knot like that. It will twist up a bit, but eventually it will hold. And you do the same on the other end. There's lots of mosquitoes today. And you do the same. And that's your sling basically. Take your rocks or anything. This is a top of a cone, pine cone, and then you put it in the pouch like that, and then you just use it as a sling. Works pretty good. I'll show you how it goes. Pick a rock over here. I've got my rock. Let's walk over to the target. Using the same target as I used for the Apache throwing star. Let's see how it goes. Like that. And just this, like this. This is my sling. And you just fire overhand, underhand, or just ordinary. Went pretty good actually, but didn't hit. So I'm going to find another rock. Here. Got one. Bigger this time. Let's throw it. Hit. Would definitely knock out or kill any rabbit, squirrel, anything you can get your hands on. Yeah. See you next time.